Christmas is coming up, and what better way not to gift someone with a Android tablet. I have one right here, and it's not open or anything, but it is for my little cousin, so I'm going to go ahead and set it up for her because I want to give this to her before Christmas because I will not be seeing her for Christmas. So we're going to go ahead and open this up and get started. So firstly, it comes with this little label on the front, and all you have to do is when you open it up, it comes exactly like this. So of course you have the tablet itself, and it looks just like this, and it even has a camera on the back, and then it just has the power and volume setting. And then when you take this part off, it comes with a little case right here, and it also comes with a little keyboard, and it is metal, so it's not going to slip and slide everywhere, and it's going to connect. And then it also comes with a screen protector, which is really nice. And then in this section right here, you get a stylus pen, a USB-C cord, a block, and then you get a little mouse and an SD card so you can have everything connected. So I'm going to go ahead and set it up a little bit and then get on with it. So it already has a screen protector on it, which I think is such an amazing thing right here, because now I have an extra one for her if she cracks it. So I'm just going to turn it on, and it says powered by Android, so that means it's turning on. I'm going to open everything else that it comes with. So this is the case it comes with. Before I finish setting it up, I'm going to put everything in here. I don't break it before she gets it. Now that I have everything set up, it is super simple. It took maybe 3 minutes, not even. You can add your Google into this, sign in, all that. This is what it looks like. It's just a normal tablet. You can download games on here, you can take pictures on here, listen to music, watch TV, a bunch of different things, and it is so easy to use. I know that if I can set this up, you definitely can. This will be great for little kids, maybe adults even, really whoever is interested in a tablet, this will be good for, just because of how simple it was to set up. So I know that my cousin will love this, and I can't wait to give it to her. So if you're looking for a nice tablet, this definitely is a great choice. I'm Kinsey, and I'll see you next time.